In this video, we are going to learn how to process the monthly depreciation in the real-time fixed asset module. Click on the Fixed Asset tab. Select Asset Depreciation. Before we proceed to process the first month depreciation in the fixed asset module, let's recap what we did earlier before we can come to do the monthly depreciation. At the Asset Master, we had entered all the fixed asset information into the system and save the entry. After which, we post the asset opening and finally generate the schedule of each asset. From the screen here, the schedule number shows the total number of months of depreciation of each asset. If the schedule number is blank for this item, this fixed asset item will not be depreciated. So make sure that all the fixed asset item is generated with the schedules. Highlight on this record, click Edit. At the Depreciation Schedule tab, click Generate Schedule. Click OK. Click Exit. The depreciation schedule for this asset item is now generated. We are now ready to process the monthly depreciation. Click on the icon Asset Depreciation. By default, the system will display the current month, which is July 2014. Depending on which month your fixed asset is last depreciated, you will have to backtrack to process the next month. In this example here, the last depreciation was done in January 2014. And the first depreciation in the real-time fixed asset module will be February 2014. Click this drop-down box to select the month February, or you can click this drop-down box to select the month too. Next, click on this box All and click Refresh Asset. The system will pull out all the fixed asset items for the month of February to process the month of February depreciation. To counter check if there's anything in the month of January, select January and click Refresh. And we are very sure that there's nothing to process in the month of January. Select February again and click Refresh. Once confirmed, click the button Depreciate. The system is now posting to the depreciation expenses accounts and the respective fixed asset accumulated depreciation accounts. Once the message Asset Depreciation successfully posted, click OK. At Accounts Entry, GL Journal, there will be a record dated 28th of February 2014. Highlight on this record and click Edit. The individual item in the fixed asset will be presented here with the respective debit and credit accounts. Return back to the Asset Master. Highlight on any of the item and click View. Click on the Depreciation Schedule tab. Click on the Monthly Depreciation Schedule. You will notice that the first row shows that in the month of February, this asset is depreciated, and the subsequent one will remain as new until such time that the March depreciation is processed. Highlight randomly on the next item and click View. As each month's depreciation is processed, the status of each line item will become depreciated until such time that the asset is fully depreciated. Click on the tab Fixed Asset Reports. Select Fixed Asset Schedule Reports. Select First to Last Asset and click Add. Select the month February 2014 and click OK. The system will generate the fixed asset schedule for the month of February with the balance brought forward, addition if there's any, and carry forward to the next month. The useful life, the depreciation rate, and the current period, and the net book value. After processing the month of February, the next month will be the month of March. Repeat the steps. Select March. Select all and click Refresh. Check for the completeness. Once correct, click Depreciate. Asset depreciation successfully posted. Click OK. And repeat the subsequent month, April, May, June onwards. Do not skip any month as it will prove disruptive to the whole fixed asset schedule. You have successfully learned how to process the monthly depreciation posting in the real-time fixed asset module.